and then we await for follow for like other orders. Yeah, like every morning at 5:20 is what we
10
do.
seconds to get out of our bed and I'm
Make your bunks 45-degree angles, all that.
So if you don't make your bed, we have to carry one of them things? Do we
Corrective
sing
action. Oh, you get a duffel bag.
Oh, it's like the
All your
duffel
clothes
bag,
and
like, all
stuff.
everything.
The Academy is accepting applications. Go to challengeacademy.org, review eligibility requirements, and apply for this free program.
Please welcome Romeo Dobbs.
I was recruited high, or highly recruited out of high school and everything, but I didn't have the grade point average to qualify to get in college, so I had to put in extra work, put my mind to it, and actually like sacrifice being around my friends.
Nice to meet you.
Shout out to the Challenge Academy for having us.